Hello everyone, I am Ankita. Hope you all are doing well. Today let's do Doddapatre Tamli. In Kannada we call as Doddapatre, in English as Mexican mint. Indians are very well known to this plant and many grow in their backyards or in pots. Also it is called as Indian mint. The aroma of the leaves is sharp and has strong flavor. It helps against cold and cough and also reduces indigestion problem. The leaves can be washed and is directly chewed. It helps clear the respiratory tracts and boosts immune system. Firstly, I have washed thoroughly and dried the leaves. For tamli, all you need is grated coconut, jeera or cumin, roasted gram dal, that is kadlepappu, coriander leaves, curd, green chilies and salt according to your taste. I have used crystal salt. You can even use garlic, but in this recipe I am not using garlic. Firstly, heat the oil in a pan. Add 2 cups of green chilies. Fry well. You can notice the color change in the green chilies. Now add Doddapatre. Fry nicely. The leaves gets very soft and the whole room is filled with that aroma. Fry well. Now in a mixture, add roasted gram dal, cumin, salt according to your taste. Here kadlepappu is used to get a thick mixture. Grind all these ingredients well. Now add fried Mexican mint and chilies. Add 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of minthia powder. Grind everything well. You can add little water while grinding. Now add 1 cup of grated coconut and grind again. Yes, the chutney is ready. You can keep this mixture in an airtight container. Now I am taking 2 spoons of this mixture and mixing in a cup of curd. Yes, mix well. Seasoning it with oil and roasted mustard seeds. Yes, the Doddapatre Tamli is now ready. You can eat it with hot rice, chapati or dosa. Thank you. Try at home and stay healthy.